Hey everyone, this is Mazen Salah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this error which says the GenerateStaticWebAssetsPropsFile failed unexpectedly. If we click on this link to know more about this error, as usual, this will make us more confused and it has nothing to do with the real solution for this problem. Actually, this problem only appears in some projects, not all projects of Visual Studio, because if I open another project in another directory like this one, if I open the project and I will run it, click run, we will see that the project is gonna be run successfully without throwing that error. So what is the problem? Well, actually the problem has to do with folder path. You can see that the path of this project is short, but the other project that throws that error, if I go to this directory, we will see that the path to this project is long. How to solve this? First, we will close the instances of Visual Studio and I will move this folder, the directory of the project, I will move it to disk E or any disk to make sure that the path is not very long, it is short. Or maybe you can change the name of the project to make it shorter. For me, I'm gonna do this and I will run the project again. This is the project that threw the error at the beginning of this video. If I click build and run, we will see that the project will be loaded successfully without throwing that error. As you can see, it has loaded without any problem. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have an idea for the next video, please type it in the comment section and please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.